Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, my name is Adli.
My name is Cantika Adiba.
My name is Zahira Humaira and we're from 12 Science 2 class. We're here to show you how to make a pencil case from a used bottle.
First of all, we need to force a used bottle in 3 different sizes.
A cardboard and a flower decoration.
Flannels and a knitting yarn because we need a thick one. You can use something else like a book, but it's based on your preference. And for the tools, we need a compass,
A glue and a cutter.
A scissors and a marker.
Without any further ado,
Let's get started!
First, what you need to do is to cut the cardboard in the flannels in a circle shape with 15 cm diameter. After that, you want to glue it together so the cardboard is covered up by flannels. To hide the side part of the cardboard, we will use the knitting yarn that we prepared before.
After that, you want cover the used bottles with flannels. You will use the rest of the flannel to cover the upper part of the bottle. And then, you will stick the decoration on top of the bottles.
For the last part, you will stick the rest of the decoration to make the pencil case look better. And then you will stick the decorated bottles to the cardboard. And that's how you make a pencil case from used bottles.
That's all from us.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Woof!